Alright, got everything out of the motor. Piston liners, pistons, cam, oil pump, injectors, head bolts, bottom rod, bearing cups. Everything was intact, nothing broken, no major wear, just normal wear. My cam bearings wore into the brass a little bit on the bottom side. The rod bearings wore into the brass just a little bit on the bottom side. These cylinders, man, the seals were going pretty bad in them. It was starting to pour out. It's getting pores in it, in that area. I don't know if you can see that, but anyway, got everything all laid out, ready to go back in. This is the bull gear I was waiting on. New bearings, piston lining kit, piston, sleeve, head. I decided not to do a outer frame. I'm gonna do an in frame, but I got mostly everything off of it, so I can get to everything, clean it up real good. Top deck looks good. Front of it, bull gear, all that. That's gonna be the job. I'm gonna have to unmount it from the motor frame, from the motor mount, brace it up just to get that plate off and put that bull gear in there. It's the biggest part. But other than that, everything's going smooth. Got everything all laid out. Like I say, no major wear. Crank looks good. So I'm about to go underneath, pull the main bearings, put new bearings in, start putting pistons together, slide them in. Be ready for the head by morning. Alright, that's it.